Welcome to Odisha Automation Solution. Today we are going to explain about EPLAN. What is EPLAN? EPLAN represents efficient engineering, standardization and modularization via configuration are decisive steps in this direction. EPLAN was founded in 1984 and it part of own operated Freedom's Law Group. In the year 1984 by Adler and Renault Venture in March 1999, they sold the retail head office Monson Generic, Germany. Application area is where we have to use this EPLAN is automation and robotics, electrical systems, mechatronics, and power system, etc. International standards and consistent localization. The EPLAN platform supports international standards such as IEC, NFPA, GOST, and GB. IEC means International Electro-Technical Commission. NFPA means National Fire Protection Association. GOST means Go Sudarshan's Standard. GB Go BIOS. IE standardization is drawing and documentation. JIC Joint International Council. The software itself is available in 17 languages. This is the EPLAN